still several months away from Apple showing us the iPhone 18, but we can still bask in leaks until then. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. This week, a pair of leaks involving the cameras and colors for the upcoming flagship iPhone dropped. On the camera side, a Korean outlet reports that Apple will debut a new variable-aperture rear camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in September. Before this year, all iPhones had fixed aperture cameras. In easy words, the lens remained completely open during image capture. Meanwhile, now, a variable aperture will allow the lens to open and close gradually depending on the situation, letting in more light in darkness or keeping excess light out in bright settings. That will give iPhones an even greater level of flexibility in photography and make their pictures even more polished. And this report is backed up by prominent Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who said Apple would incorporate a variable aperture in the iPhone 18 all the way back in 2024. But what do the latest iPhone rumors have to say about colors? Macworld claims that it's received some information about Apple's chosen colors for 2026. According to their sources, the headline color this year will be dark cherry, a dark red that will replace the controversial cosmic orange color from the iPhone 17 Pro. It's also said that light blue, dark gray, and silver options are also possibilities for the iPhone 18 Pro. A previous leak suggested that Apple wouldn't be adding a black color option at all for the iPhone 18 Pro, which may not go over well for some minimalist users if it proves true. But remember, these are all just leaks and rumors for now. All will be revealed in September. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.